Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a funeral insurance plan with Forethought, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To create a funeral insurance plan with Forethought, start by visiting the Forethought website. Once on the home page, look for the Get a Quote button. Click on that button to begin the process. You will be prompted to provide some basic information. Enter your name, address, and date of birth in the designated fields. Next, you'll need to indicate whether you're looking for individual or joint coverage. Select your preferred payment frequency, such as monthly, quarterly, or annually. After that, specify the coverage amount you desire. Forethought may offer several options. Take your time to review them. Once you've made your selections, click Continue to proceed. You may now be asked to provide additional health information. Answer these questions honestly, as they can affect your eligibility. After completing the health questions, review your information for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your application by clicking the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation email outlining your application details. Depending on your responses, you may receive a decision on your coverage shortly. If approved, you'll receive your policy details and payment instructions via email. Keep your documents in a safe place for future reference. Now you have successfully created a funeral insurance plan with Forethought. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.